Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now, welcome to this course, which discusses the linguistics of the plurals in Arabic. Now, you might think, we know plurals. We know the different types of plurals. What is there to know? There's actually quite a bit to know, and we'll be exploring the different nuances behind plurals. As an example, in the Qur'an, we have the word nafs, which means the soul or the self. We have two plurals used, anfus and nufus, which mean souls or selves. One is what's known as a greater plural, which is more vaster, and one is more a specific word, and it's a lesser plural. It's more specific. So the word, for example, anfus. Anfus is a more specific, and that's why we have the pronoun of us, for example, attached to it, anfusikum. Wafi anfusikum, mean to reflect over yourselves, how Allah created us, anfusikum. When it's talking about all the souls, for example, an-nufus is used, nufus. وَإِذَا النُّفُوسُ زُوِّجَتْ. When the souls are united. That could be actually a few different reasons or a few different interpretations of what that means. Does it mean reunited with its body, like a new body on Yawm al-Qiyamah? Does it mean to be united with those who are like them? Like kuntum azwajan thalatha, that you were three groups. Ashab al-Yamin, Ashab al-Shimal, and as-Sabiqun. Or could it mean, and that's another possibility, when the oppressed is reunited with the oppressor, because of the ayah that comes after it. وَإِذَا النُّفُوسُ زُوِّجَتْ وَإِذَا الْمَوْءُودَةُ سُئِلَتْ بِأَيِّ ذَنبٍ قُتِلَتْ. That's another possibility as well. The point though being, nufus is used for the whole group, for all human beings, while anfus, which is also a plural, is used more specifically, anfusikum. So that's one aspect we'll be talking about, and there'll be many more. And so inshallah, let's begin the course.